In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix microphone not working on Discord web. If people can't hear you on Discord in your browser, it usually comes down to two things: your browser blocking microphone access or Discord using the wrong input device. We're going to quickly sort out both, starting with your browser, then confirming the right mic inside Discord. If you're using Chrome or Microsoft Edge, open Discord web by going to discord.com/app. Once it's open, look at the address bar at the top of the browser and click the small lock icon next to the site address. A panel will open showing site permissions. Find the microphone option and change it to allow. This tells the browser it's okay for Discord to use your mic on this site. After you set it to allow, you should see a prompt to reload the page. Click reload so the new permission takes effect. Without reloading, the browser may still block your audio, so that refresh is important. If you're on Firefox, keep Discord web open and look at the address bar for a small microphone icon. Click that icon to bring up the permission prompt. From the list, choose the correct microphone you want to use. This is especially important if your computer has more than one mic, like a built-in laptop mic and a USB headset. After selecting the right one, click Allow. Firefox won't send audio from your mic until you approve it here. With the browser permissions set, let's select the correct microphone inside Discord itself. In Discord web, click the User Settings gear icon at the bottom of the sidebar. In the Settings menu, go to Voice and Video. Under Input Device, open the drop-down and select your actual microphone by name. Don't leave it on default, because default might point to the wrong device if your system recently changed inputs or you connected a new headset. After you pick your mic, speak normally and watch the input level meter. If the bar moves as you talk, Discord is receiving your audio. At this point, your browser is allowing access and Discord is listening to the right device. If the input level is active, you're good to go. If it's not moving, double check that you selected the same mic in both the browser permission and the input device drop-down. A quick page reload after changing permissions can also help the browser reconnect. That's it. Simple, clear steps to get your mic working again on Discord web in Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Or